Alright, hello people, or should I say, right beamers. Today we are going to be driving with a force feedback steering wheel. It's a Thrustmaster TMX Pro force feedback. I've also got a TH8A shifter and the T3PA pedals that I am going to be using. And so that might help me drive a little bit more better than using a controller. So yeah, let's start driving, shall we? So engine on, clutch in, into first, and yeah, this is basically me teaching you how to drive, because I'm just yeah, just why not? Okay, anyways, let's go. Handbrake off. I forgot what I was gonna say, but yeah, let's turn right here. Right, stop here. Right, so now then, I had a problem with my gear stick. Stupid me decided to put it in water, and well, I've decided to put the knob and the stick in water, and I got water in the actual knob, and yeah, that wasn't good. And then now it's finally working, and I had to put some tape around the shaft, and yeah, it's a bit nasty from where I tried to take the knob off, and yeah, so yeah, I'm just gonna drive around, probably talk, and yeah, just see where we get going. I might go to the airfield so we can do some drag runs. I've also got another plan to get another car and customize it into a race car or a drag car. Don't know. Just decide in the comments below which one you want me to do, and then yeah, I'll decide. I could either do a drag car, race car, or just an absolute mad car, like flipping fast and over the top. I could even put jet engines on the back, 2 jet engines. Yes, so that's my plan for now, and then yeah, once I've done it, I'll show you guys my progress with it and what I'm going to be doing to it as well, and then after that we can drive it around and see how it goes and see how fast it goes. I've also got a few maps where I can do like where I can go like flipping 1 billion miles per hour, literally like top speeds that you'll never be able to reach in an actual car. So yeah, this game is pretty cool. Well, it's not a game, it's basically classed as a simulator. If you go on to YouTube, you see that people don't call it a game yet. Well, they do call it a game, but not as much. They just call it a simulator. Yeah. So yeah, this is my second video, and yeah, I just plans for the future. I might get some better kit, like a new mic, try and get an editing software in there, and yeah, I just need to find a good editing software. I never really could be bothered to find one because yeah, I'm too lazy, but yeah, I might try and find an editing software and learn how to use it. I just if you could help, just comment down below a good editing software, and yeah, just then I can try and make my videos better for you guys. And yeah, just then people could see more of my videos and I'll get noticed, hopefully. My biggest dream is to actually become big, like really big, like I don't know, like same as like a few YouTubers, like they're pretty blown up right now, their channels and stuff like that, and I wish to be like that. But yeah, right now we're on the motorway going about 85 miles an hour, and yeah, just slowing down now because I missed my turn because I got distracted while talking to you guys. But yeah, it doesn't matter, you guys are what's most important. I know no one's really going to comment down below, but it would be nice to get a few comments. I'm not saying you have to, but it would be nice. And yeah, just if you like my videos, then subscribe. If you don't, then yeah, just watch them if you want. I'm not really bothered. This ain't really a YouTube channel for well, it's for entertainment purposes and stuff like that. And just if you guys are bored, then come and watch me. I'll try and make the videos as entertaining as I can. So yeah, we're now going to the track, and we're gonna do some dyno runs. Not dyno runs, I mean drag runs. Dyno is basically a thing where you get your car and just put it in 6th gear and just rev it up and see how much horsepower you make. I think something like that, or like you put it in your maximum gear and just rev it up and see how much power you got. So yeah, let's go and do a few dyno runs. Oh, right, so here we are. Brake, clutch in, brake, into neutral. Now then, I've done some drag runs before, and gotta say, my stopping is atrocious because, yeah, I've got a brake mod on it, and I can't fully press my brake, can't put my brake fully down. So yeah, let's just see how we do first, and yeah, just let's go. So not just revs up a bit, and off we go. Right, okay. Okay. Let's go do another one. That one was a pretty slow one, but yeah, I'm just trying to get used to the car, even though I am sort of used to it. But yeah, it's just in real life you've got to get used to different cars, different clutch bites, and yeah, just different engines, I guess. I mean, some engines are pretty powerful, some engines are pretty slow. Just depends what you want. And yeah, just if you driving is a good thing to know. It's a good skill, because then you can take people places. You can have fun if you like driving. I mean, some people hate it. I might hate it, but I never know. I might like driving on the motorway and stuff like that. But yeah, just let's go for a faster drag run, shall we? Right, so brake on, brake. Oh, I'm gone. Alright. Okay. Let's go. Woohoo! Right, we're gonna blow our engine up. So yeah, into first, and yeah, we blew our engine up, and yeah, that's basically how to blow your engine up. So yeah, that's something you're not supposed to do. So yeah, just don't do that when you're learning how to drive, because you could potentially ruin your engine, as you just saw. Engines aren't the most strongest thing in the world, but they are pretty powerful. It just depends what engine you get. Like, this engine's got a supercharged V8 with a 6-speed race gearbox, and yeah, it's pretty quick. Top speed of about 150 miles an hour. So yeah, it's not it's alright. Oh, I've ruined my gearbox, but doesn't matter. But yeah, it's alright. Everything's fine. But yeah, let's do a few crashes now. So we're gonna go onto the racetrack and just actually try and do some racing, and then fail at racing because I can't really race. So yeah, let's go over to the racetrack. So clutch in, brake, look left, look right. Signal to people that you're going to become a hazard. Oh no, my hazard lights aren't working. I need to set that up. But yeah, let's just not worry about that for now and just do some driving. Yeah, as you can see, I went into the wrong gear, blew up my engine, ruined my gearbox, and yeah. So let's retry. You know, practice makes perfect. You can't always be brilliant at stuff, but you know, it's just the way of life, isn't it? You're rubbish at something. You eventually start to get better, and then boom, you can do it. It's basically like me, it's basically me with driving. But yeah, I'm gonna take you for a tour around the West Coast track, and yeah, just roll with it. So yeah. And I thought driving was easier. Was easier when you're on a track, but it's actually pretty hard. Probably because I'm a new learner. Not in real life. I'm only 15, but yeah. Oh god. As you can see, it's very easy to mess up. I'm sure my dad would do better, but yeah, he's probably downstairs watching Coronation Street or something like that. But yeah, we're just driving. Well, you're coming along for the drive, and I'm just driving. So yeah, it's pretty obvious. I don't really need to mention that, but yeah, never mind. Right, coming up on the straight here. This is the best bit of the track. Oh no! I've knackered my gearbox. Well, probably knackered my engine, not my gearbox. And my front bumper. I always mess up on this bit. I don't know why. I don't know how. But it just happens. And I've got to learn to deal with it. So, yeah. Let's try that again. Right, hold on. Handbrake off, let's go. Now, if this was real life, I wouldn't have a second chance. I would probably go off track, be disqualified. Yep. Or I always forget to use the clutch. So yeah, that's not good. But yeah, this is take 2 of driving on the street. I always mess up my shifting, and I blew up my engine because I was fed up. But never mind. Let's go back to the drag strip and drive a very, very old car, shall we? Right then. Oh, and drop my controller. Always happens to good people like me. Okay, I'm joking, I'm not a good person. Okay, maybe I am, maybe I'm not, but that's besides the point. Let's just get home, shall we? Well, not home, but yeah. Back to the paddocks. Right, engine off. Let's have a look for a very, very old car, and then we can drive around. And yeah, we'll call it a day. So, I was thinking, let's go for this. Let's go for a three-wheeler. Put it in orange because it's my favourite colour, and then replace it. And let's bet again. There we go. Go into vehicle config. Right, so this is the car that I'm basically going to be driving. It's very old. Well, not very old. I think it's from the 60s, something like that. So pretty old, about 50 years old, something like that. I'm not sure, but yeah. Let's have a look for the engine that I want to put in it. Yes, the single cylinder. Oh god, it's very loud. It's very, very, very loud. Right. I'm gonna put a new transmission in it. Let's just go for a 3-speed manual, shall we? Pretty simple to learn. Right. I'm sure the emissions, blah de blah de blah, aren't going to be very happy because this car is not very environmentally friendly. Because it's basically got a lawnmower, diesel lawnmower engine in it. But it's not actually diesel, I think it's petrol. But yeah, as you can see, it's very slow. Very, very, very slow. I'm still climbing up the miles per hour. Yeah, we'll just wait. Well, not just wait, but yeah. It's going 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. Come on, can we reach to 60 miles an hour before the end? Come on. 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. Come on. 59. 60 miles an hour! Woo! Let's go! Oh, this car is a legend. Car is a flipping legend. Literally, because it's flipping over. Yeah, let's go now because we're now gonna crash this car. And as you can see, it's leaving a trail of carbon deposits behind us, also known as exhaust gas. So yeah, it's not very environmentally friendly, as I said at the start of this drive. But yeah, let's crash, and then we'll end the video there, so you can have a rest. So yeah. Oh yeah. I thought it was in second for a second there. So yeah, crash here and side-on collision. Oh, that was nasty. That was nasty. We're probably gonna have a broken face or broken leg or something, or broken arm because of the whiplash by the steering wheel. I mean, my steering wheel is like got flipping force feedback because I literally just blew my money on it. But yeah, anyways, that's enough gossip for today. And yeah, I will see you next Monday. So yeah, that's the day that I decided to start recording. And yeah, just, if you like, please subscribe, comment down below, charging off. And yeah, so thanks for watching. Have a good day, have a good night, whenever you're watching this. Just have a good day, have a good night. Like I said, I like to repeat myself because, yeah, that's how I operate. But yeah, anyways, see you later. Bye, Beamers.